Hello, my name is Sintania Cahyastuti. Here, I will lay out my own design learning for meeting the needs during studying. Following the design action. Engage, capture student attention. Activities, student prior knowledge, stimulate thinking, raise key question. I begin by asking students the main structure of a plan that we have learned so far. As I list them on the board, I point out that we have explored the job of the roots and themes over the last 2 days. I direct students to the word leaf and say, yesterday we learned some basic parts of a leaf and how leaves help plants make their own food. Today, we are taking a closer look at how a leaf does this or make their own food. I move on and ask a student to read the standard word for today. Today, we will find out how plants make their own food by reading about the process photosynthesis. We will deconstruct a model to show our understanding of photosynthesis. Next, to explore, allow students to observe, record data, isolate variables, design and plan experiment, create graph, interpret result, develop hypotheses, and organize their findings. With the term displayed on the board, I explain to students that we are reading a play about the process of photosynthesis. I assign each table a role in the play. I hand out props to create a visual replica of the role they are portraying. The sun table receives a sun with sunrise. Water receives water droplets. Sugar is given sugar cups. And the chloroplast group receive a leaf with chloroplast in them. Since oxygen and carbon dioxide are gas which are invisible, I give the essence student the element formula that identify the O2 for oxygen and CO2 for carbon dioxide. For explain, introduce laws, model, theory, and vocabulary, guide students toward coherent generalization, and help students understand and use scientific vocabulary to explain the result of their exploration. With our notebook set up, I explain to students that we are going to think about all the interaction that took place in the photosynthesis, play and sequence them in 2 steps in our notebook. They are creating an illustration and writing a description in each box that correlation to that step of the process. I continue saying, you can create your illustration in our own whereas we write the detail to explain what is going on. Then I project an anchor card displaying a replica of the photosynthesis process. I keep this post as a reference point for students as we sequence the steps. For elaborate, provide students opportunity to apply their knowledge to new domains, raise new questions, and explore new hypotheses. May also include related problems for students to solve. To reinforce the process of photosynthesis, I share with students they will be creating a photosynthesis model with their group. I explain to them the model they create is open to their imagination, but must include all the ingredients we discuss. For evaluate, administer formative assessment, also checking for understanding should be done. Throughout the lesson, I end our discussion by asking students, imagine if the sun did not exist, how would this affect life on Earth? I ask this question because I want them to understand that the sun has both a direct and indirect effect on their life. Without it, plants could not make food for themselves, therefore could not survive. An organism that depend on plant for their food source would also die, which would cause other organisms like people they rely on those animals for food to die too. That's the study design I designed. That's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.